Yo, Artist Army, welcome back. Today we're doing the Teeny-Weeny Art Challenge. I think this has been done on YouTube many times by like all the art channels on YouTube, but I don't even know who started it. So I'm gonna take that challenge on today. The drawing I'm gonna be drawing smaller and smaller is this right here. You will see a time lapse of it in just a second. This is actually a comic on Kickstarter, Fire Engine Red. The owner said if you guys support them on Kickstarter and enter and buy my variant cover, they'll enter you automatically in a giveaway to win my original drawing right here of this sexy Fire Engine Red cover. This Teeny-Weeny Art Challenge should be interesting. You know what's not teeny-weeny? The Artist Army. That's right, let's go ahead and get this challenge started. The Teeny-Weeny Art Challenge. Ayo! Oh, damn it, I didn't know I was on camera. Okay guys, so we're just talking about the perspective of how big this drawing actually is. So I'm drawing on a paper that's 11 by 17. As you can see, I'm drawing this Fire Engine Red character, and I'm gonna be drawing smaller, smaller, and smaller. Hopefully I keep the paper about the same size, not too big, not too small, so that I can kind of get it right there. And as you can see, the Fire Engine Red, the character's legs are kind of cut off because I didn't want to draw the legs. That's how it is. And I don't think I'm going to draw the background because I'm lazy. And yeah, I will see you guys when the drawings start. Oh shoot. Don't do Kobe's, guys. Don't do it. Cut it. Okay, so just some basic information. The original drawing was 11 by 17, so we're gonna downsize a little bit and draw this character again. So let's do it. And this paper over here is 6 by 9, so we've downsized quite a lot from the 11 by 17. Still not too small, but it's gonna get harder and harder as we keep doing this, which doesn't sound very appropriate. Okay, we're just gonna keep going. Okay, so actually what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to simplify the features a little bit just to make sure I can get everything on here without like over detailing, because it's a lot smaller. Also, in case you guys are wondering why this figure is so muscular, in the comic the figure is a pretty muscular female, which is why I'm drawing her so muscular. You want a muscular female? I'm gonna give you a very muscular female. So yeah, they asked for it. Hopefully we can get this to still look like a female. I'm not sure how good she's gonna look. Looks like she's aging very, very fast, but at least try to get the facial proportions right. Oh, one quick tip for drawing females, if you want them to look sexier, put their shoulder up like this, because here's a girl just normally, and a girl like this looks a lot sexier. Oh, and here's a magnifying glass for later when things actually get really, really hard, and I'm gonna have to use this to draw. Ooh, look at this. Also, in case if you guys are wondering why the drawing's so bad, it's because I can't draw females. You guys already know I can't draw females. It's like a known fact that ZHC cannot draw females to save his life. So I greatly apologize. But that's also why I practice every day. You know, you can always find something to improve, and females is something I really need to improve. So this should be a good challenge. Okay, there's that. This one's the 6 by 9. It's time to downsize. There we go. I don't think we need the magnifying glass just yet, although we might need it soon. So now we are down to this, which is 3.5 by 6 inches, and let's see what we got. Let's get it. I think this time I'm gonna focus a little bit more on negative space, so I'm mostly gonna draw the shadows since it's gonna be really hard to get all the features in. Okay, this is starting to get really small. I'm a little bit concerned over here. So let's go ahead and see if we can get a few facial features in. I definitely need to sharpen my pencil a lot now to make sure I get those little details in. Okay, I think we're done with this drawing. The 3.5 by 6. She's starting to look a little bit freaky. I'm getting scared over here. Her proportions are starting to go all over the place and I don't know what I'm doing. I think for the next one I'm gonna cut back a little bit on details and muscles and stuff like that, and I'm just gonna focus on the basic shape because we at least need to know it's a female. So next up, this is the 2x3 and yeah, it's really small. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit more. I don't even know how we're gonna do this. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna sharpen my pencil up to a nice pointy tip. Come on, you guys. Cheer for ZHC. I can't hear you. ZHC. ZHC. The challenge is on. Alright, there we have it. I'm not sure if you guys can even see. Let me get a magnifying glass over here. Let me try to zoom up a bit to see. You guys can see that. It's so tiny. You guys see that? So that's my drawing over here. It's with this pencil. And soon we are going to have to use the magnifying glass because we are downsizing. What do you guys think of this? This is so small. I'm not sure if it can get much smaller than this. So let's zoom out and try the next one. So next size. This is 1 by 1.5 inches. That is so tiny, guys. Just so you can get a sense of how small this actually is. This is insane. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's zoom up. We'll start by... I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Her hair, arm. Ooh, we got the axe. Hopefully you guys can see the axe over there. Her boobies. Her boobies look tiny. Okay, you guys can barely see anything, but I think you guys will still be able to tell it's like some kind of figure. Okay, and I think that is it for this. Now, I think we're gonna go to the extreme and downsize to 0.1 times 0.05 inches. Let's see how we do.
Yeah.
Can I get your help?
Yeah.
Okay, so my girlfriend is actually gonna come over here, help me hold this magnifying glass so you guys can actually see what I'm doing, because this is insane. Do you think I'm gonna be able to pull this off? Okay. I'm gonna start.
You sneeze. Oh,
Oh,
no.
hold it. Don't sneeze, we need you.
My nose is so itchy.
Just hold it in a little bit. We have to draw her. That's her axe. Gotta draw her tiny boobies. Okay, I guess there she is. She's so small. Now we're gonna downsize one last time. You guys probably won't be able to see this because of how small it is. This is so small, it's pretty much microscopic. We're going for the world record here. Smallest drawing in the history of art. Okay, and we're done! We got the world record! Woo! Did you see how small that was?
Wow, it's beautiful.
Wait, it's so small, I can't even find it now. Where'd it go? Oh my goodness, wait, where is it? I have no idea where it is. I guess we lost the smallest drawing because it's just that small. I think it was 0.0001 by 0.0001. Yeah, it's just gone, you guys. It's that small. You guys can't even see it. I touched my pencil on it and I filled the whole page. You saw it, right?
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah, see? So, my girlfriend saw it, she's a witness. We just broke the world record for smallest drawing ever. Yeah, it was pretty much microscopic. I'm sure if we had a microscope on this channel, you guys would be able to see it. It had all the features, it had legs, arms, the head, but unfortunately, this is an art channel and we just can't afford microscopes. That's it. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you think I can draw even smaller than that, or if you want to take on the challenge, you can try drawing even smaller. I don't think it could get any smaller than that. Remember, this is on Kickstarter. Please support Fire Engine Red if you want a chance to win this original artwork. As always, if you want to try out the challenge for yourself, make a video of it, send the link to me. I'd love to see your art challenges. This video shout out goes to Mr. F. If you want to win a shout out to join the notification squad, click that bell. Please subscribe, like the video if you liked it. If you didn't like it anyways. And I think I will see you guys next time. Keep those pencils moving, stay on the daily grind. I love all of you guys. Here's a big magnified kiss. Oh, this is hilarious. Okay, bye.